People naturally lean toward products that are already popular, and showcasing bestsellers makes them feel more confident about their choices. AzonPress makes it super easy to showcase top-performing Amazon products using the classic editor. With the bestseller list feature, you can display trending products on your post or pages in just a few clicks. So let's dive in and see how it works. Just go to the page or post where you want to display the bestseller list. Click the plus icon in the Gutenberg editor and add the classic editor block. Once your classic editor block is in place, a pop-up will appear with several options. Tap on the Add Media button from the toolbar. While clicking on the Add Media option, you'll find AzonPress in the left sidebar of the pop-up page. Just select it to continue. A new page appears with some new features, like product templates, product elements, and bestseller list. Tap on the bestseller list. Now choose the product category from the drop-down option. Enter your search term and set the number of products to display. With the layout style options, you can display your bestseller products in grid, box, list, table, or even widget layouts. Each layout gives your bestseller list a unique and appealing look. So select your preferred layout from there. And once you configure everything, click on Insert Shortcode. A generated shortcode will be automatically added to the post. So it's time to save the post and preview, or if you want, you can publish it. Here's how it might look on your site. With AzonPress, creating and displaying Amazon bestseller list is quick and effortless. From choosing categories and setting product limits to customizing the layout, it's all just a few clicks away. No coding, just smart affiliate marketing made simple. That's all for now. To know more about AzonPress features, visit the AzonPress website link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.